Alright, good morning. Today is a Monday. It's February 2. And I'm currently at Clark. So usually since I do work from home, I figured mas effective sa akin like first day of the week. I do work sa labas because somehow, like a change of scenery, and also it kind of helps with the momentum. So I'm able to do more somehow whenever I'm outside. And then like the next few days medyo chill na, and also ayun. It's gonna be a very chill day, and I'll just try to in the car. I just finished all of my work. Sabi ko na whenever I'm outside talaga, mas productive talaga ako. Like, literal na, in my list, I had like a few things to finish lang. Pero I kept adding. As in like, yung vlog ko yesterday, which is probably already up right now, which I'm just gonna link here. I was like doing final edit, and then I did the thumbnail. I tried to upload it as well sa cafe. And I really like this cafe kasi ang bilis ng wifi niya. I'm just not sure if it's like at night time, there's like so much people already, if ganun pa rin kabilis. Pero pag morning talaga, gustong gusto kong nag-work dyan. Less yung people, ang ganda ng scenery, and then like bilis ng wifi. I have like 2 hours left before my actual meetings kasi parang since today is a Monday, sobrang dami kong meetings later. Obviously, kung mga calls or meetings, I prefer to do it at home talaga. Number one, wala kang kalaban sa wifi. And syempre, you're gonna be talking a lot, so it's better na I'm at home.
Way back then, we saw all the movies on
the book place I was telling you about. Tapos yung mga primary. Ang dami kasing tao, hindi ako maka-video kanina. I placed it in this bottle. Usually, nagdadala talaga ako ng bottle ko. Tapos, pinapapuno ko sila. That's how it looks like. I'm so excited. I don't know if na-straighten na ba yan or what. And I look so dark. Or is it just because of the lighting? Anyway, I'm now home. What time is it? It is 4:46. So, I still have an hour before all of my meetings. Thinking of like retouching a bit, and wala na talaga ako mag-vlog for today kasi nasa house na ako. So it's really a chill work day, but a productive one, and I look so sweaty. Yeah. And I was thinking if magpapalit pa ako, pero okay lang. Kasi literal na, kung ano yung nakikita nyo, yun din yung mangyayari later sa mga meetings ko. I'll just show you my mini go-to makeup pouch for retouches. So this is my little retouch pouch. It's from Bash. And look how thick. Ganyan siya ka-thick. Maliit lang siya, but it carries so much. So first, I have my pressed powder from Sunny's. I'm in the shade Sesame. Sorry, ang dumi na. Ano na siya. Ang tagal na nito sa akin, but I like it because, see, it's already hitting pan. Okay naman siya. It's just that nung una parang there's like a certain smell of it. Next one, I have my mini makeup brush pouch. So, yan lang sila. So, when you get this kind of pouch, it comes with like the whole set. Pero what I did was, kinuha ko lang yung mga alam kong magagamit ko or the ones that I like. And then this one actually, it's from Real Techniques. It's like a mini blush brush. I think napakita ko na sa inyo to before. And then I just bought like a case for it because like number one na I retouch is always my blush. And then I have here 4 tiny brushes. So this one is for my eyebrows, like just to brush them. This one, I think I use this for my concealer, like under eye. And then this is for the highlight. And then this, hindi ko alam, I just brought it as extra. Next one, I have my blotting sheets. So I'll show you how I do my retouch in a bit. And then I have this one. I super love this one. Is from Lovely Cosmetics. It is their Glass Glow Pressed Highlighter and Blush. When I saw this online, I was like, I knew I needed to get it kasi nga, mas nauna ko tong binili. So I figured, one of the struggles kasi when I carry like a makeup pouch is meron kang highlighter, meron kang blush. So when they came out with this, I was like, I knew I needed it kasi it comes with a blush and a highlight. And what's perfect pa is yung blush and highlight nila really matches my skin tone. I really like this kind of highlight, like the pearl golden highlight. So, ayan. And it works so well since 2-in-1 na siya. I can just, carry one compact. I have, concealer. I super love this one. It's from Decem. It's called Cover Fix Sealer. There. And I'm always in the shade 01. I would get my blotting sheets, or if you don't have blotting sheets, you can just use tissue, ganyan. Kasi before you add another layer of makeup, coming from an acne-prone girly, you should get rid of the dirt and the oil first. So just blot, brush, and then I just get tissue. Kasi nga, I try to just use one brush. So I just clean my brush kasi ang uunahin ko is my powder, compact powder parts. I'm sorry if you're hearing some random music. Ang ingay kasi ng mga tao dito. Then proceed with my blush. So since nagamit ko na siya sa powder, I can just use it for blush now. So I just get a bit. This is super, this is so pigmented as well. And I just like the kind na it's not, what do you call that? Wala siyang fallout. Like, madali siyang gamitin even though it's super pigmented. So, I just dab a bit. And also, when you do your makeup for like videos or like online meetings, it's okay to do it like thick or like very opaque. Kasi, like, see on screen, it looks so subtle. Pero in person, sobrang putok na siya. And then I get my mini highlight brush. Brushes. I put this one and this one. Kasi lahat naman sila flat, so sobrang dali niyang malagay. And then this one. And then I have this one. This is like the most important pouch ever for me. Like, I need this no matter what. Like, siguro, how many times na I would leave and I'll be in the car already, naka-open na yung gate and everything, and na-close ko na pala yung gate. And then I would check, wala pala to, I would still go inside. So anyway, this is my lippy pouch. So, well, it's not all lip pouch because I have my eye curler here. And then I have a Tiger Balm because like, as a oldie, medyo, I have my Lucas Papaw. My favorite lip liner lately is the Get Ready With Me. Then I have my favorite lip tint, which is from Arcadia. I'm using the shade 02 Harmony. My favorite gloss, which is Popic. So ganito talaga yung packaging niya. It's just that my first one, which was Honey Blonde, was already like in this area. So what I did was I cut it and then I placed it here. Tsaka kasi, hopefully it doesn't happen here. Pero the applicator is like this. You can see. The last one that I had, parang may something stuck in it. So, hindi na lumalabas yung product. So, after I do my whole schmazzle in my face, I curl my lashes. Can you see if may change? How I do my lips is I do some Kaspapaw first because lately it's been so hot. Yan, I try to moisturize first and I'll show you how nice this is. Meron nga, they came out with a new one. I think it's like gloss. But this is like, it just really matches my lips. So I put a bit. Ayan. Very natural lang siya. Tapos minsan parang ginagamit ko pa nga siya as a lip liner. Like I line my lips with the tip. So this one, I rarely use this. Like if I'm going on events, then I would use a lip liner. On a normal like meetings and whatnot, I just pop that out. If I wanna do like a glossy look, I use my Popic lip gloss. Para ka lang kumain ng sisig. It's just how I would retouch my makeup when I'm like outside. Pero even though I'm already at home, kaso I don't wanna wash up yet since I already am wearing makeup. I think for the rest of the day, I'm just gonna go on a few meetings. That's about it. I'll try to say bye later if makapag-vlog pa ako, pero for now, that's just it.